Hi there guys, welcome to How to Succeed with Solo Ads Part 14. In this video, this is going to be one of the most important ones throughout the entire training series because I'm going to share with you guys how to set up everything, how to integrate your email autoresponder, your Leadpages account, your Warrior Plus offer place together with Optin Dojo, and how to use Optin Dojo as the central command system. First and foremost, when you log into your Leadpages account, now the very first thing you need to do is to head over to integrations on the left, follow my mouse here. Right, then from here you can choose the email autoresponder of your choice that you wish to integrate with. For example, if you are using Getresponse, you can click on Getresponse. If you're using AWeber, just go ahead to AWeber. Now for AWeber and Getresponse, their way of integrating is slightly different. For AWeber, the moment you wish to integrate, they will ask you for the login details of your AWeber account, and from there the integration is done automatically. For Getresponse, if you are going to integrate it, that is where you need to go to the Getresponse account, under Tools, then on the left, so click on Integrations and API, and from there select API here, and generate API key. Now over here you can name your API key something like Leadpages, alright, and from there hit the Generate button, and the API key will look something like this as you can see over here. Alright, then from there paste it into your Getresponse account. Like for example, if I click on Getresponse now, they ask you for the API key. Alright, so paste it in here, then hit the connect button. Now, this is how you're going to integrate your Leadpages with your email autoresponder. So subsequently, you need to head over to landing pages on the left, create a new landing page, and usually I will start off with something which is a blank template. Alright, sorry for the typo error, blank template. Then select the template, start building it. Now this is where they're going to ask you for a page name. So don't worry, this particular page name will not be shown to your subscribers. So I can put on there as first template without first name. Alright, hit the continue button. Alright, now I'm not going to show you guys how exactly to do the whole thing, but generally the widgets are all on the left. You can put the text over here, you can put the buttons over there, you can put a form over here, so on and so forth. But I'm going to share with you guys how to integrate your Optin Dojo with your Leadpages account. Now with your Optin Dojo, head over to funnels. From there, add a new funnel. Name your funnel a name, so I'll call it Solo Ads. Solo Ads. Okay. Now this is where they're going to ask you for your default destination of your Leadpages URL. So from here, I'm going to type down there first template without first name. Now, how do you obtain this URL? So it will come from over here. So let me just put a form over here and drop it down. Now this is where they're going to insert the email address and click on this button to head to the next step of the funnel. So the way to integrate the whole thing is very simple. Just publish the whole thing here first. Alright, click on save, publish it. So of course your template is not going to look simple like this. You can always refer back to some of my previous trainings on Leadpages on how to create a converting squeeze page. So copy the link over here, head back to Optin Dojo and paste it here. Alright, so this is the link, then hit on save funnel. Alright, now once you hit on save funnel, the HTML script as well as the new lead redirect pixel will appear. So copy the HTML script over here, head back to your Leadpages account. On the left, go under settings, go under analytics, under head section tracking code, paste the code here and click on save. Now going back again to Optin Dojo account, alright, there's this new lead redirect, so copy this entire thing, go back again to Leadpages account. Now click anywhere within here to edit the integrations, and on the left under actions, choose external URL and paste this newly redirect code over here and click save and close. Alright, now remember, whenever you do any changes to Leadpages, just update the entire page. Alright, so now this page has been updated. That means to say your integration between Optin Dojo and Leadpages account is already completed. Now going back to your Optin Dojo account again, scroll down. So over here under your affiliate or own offers, you can click on that. Under default destinations, click on add link. And the link name will be something that's related to whatever offer they are trying to promote over here. So let's say I want to promote this RPM 3.0. Alright, so I'll put down there RPM 3.0. And this is where you're going to insert your affiliate link. So click on get link here. This is my affiliate link for RPM 3.0. Go back over here and I'll paste this link over here. Now, click on track conversions. Select affiliate network, so select Warrior Plus. From here, this is where the webhook IPN URL will appear. Now this is how Optin Dojo is going to track every single sale that you get from the Warrior Plus account pertaining to this offer called RPM 3.0. So going back again to your Warrior Plus account, paste this entire code under webhook IPN URL, and this code was obtained from Optin Dojo, which is this particular URL here. Alright, then click on the save button. Now the last thing you need to know is, let me just cancel off this entire thing first, because this is not the offer that my student will be promoting. Alright, so the last thing you need to know is how exactly to integrate Optin Dojo with your email autoresponder. So let's say if we go over to Getresponse, and over here under Tools, click on Email Marketing, and this is where you're going to send your email broadcast. So in Getresponse, they call this newsletter. So click on Create a Newsletter by myself. And over here, I'm going to put on Test 1. Right, don't bother about all these things. I'm going to set up this whole thing for my student as well. Subject line, test. Recipients, I'm going to choose some of the contacts that he already had before he joined my Inner Circle program, which is a solo ad funnel. Click on Add, and from there go to Design and Content, click on Design Messages, and I will go under Blank Templates, and I will choose Blank Template over here, click on Use Template. Alright, so this particular logo, I'm going to turn it off because I don't have any logo to show when I send an email. So on the right, scroll up, go to Layouts, copy and drag this entire text into here. Right, so this is where you're going to type in the text. This is a test, assuming this is your email. Now the next thing you need to do is to understand how to insert the tracking pixel, all right, from Optin Dojo into your email autoresponder, which works very similar to AWeber as well. So go over to your Optin Dojo account again, go under Solo Ads, which is the funnel that we've just created. Click on Email Tracking Setup and select your autoresponder. If you're using AWeber, choose AWeber. For our case, we are using Getresponse, so let's choose Getresponse over here. Now, email opens, there are two different kind of pixels that you can obtain from. The first on the left is for automated follow-up sequence, which is your email automation messages. On the right, this is the email open tracking for broadcast email. So I'm going to put on there RPM 1. Alright, so this will be my first email broadcast that I use to promote RPM. Click on Get Pixel, and this is the pixel to insert into the broadcast email. So copy this entire pixel, go back again to Getresponse. So from there, go under the Layouts, Custom HTML, click and drop somewhere here, and on the right, paste this code here. Alright, then click anywhere outside, so this HTML code is already inserted. Right, as you can see, once I hover my mouse, you can see this custom HTML. Click on that. This was the code that we have just pasted from Optin Dojo. Now, of course, within every email, there is a particular link. So let's say this link is this particular sentence here. This is a test. So my preference is I will bold this entire thing, and then I'll click on this link icon. So going back again to Optin Dojo, go under email links. So pre an offer from Rotator. Now remember, our offer was RPM 3.0, so by right RPM 3.0 should appear here, but because I deleted that away, since this is not the offer that my Inner Circle members promote, so I'll just copy this entire link here, going back again to Getresponse and paste this link over here and click on insert. So now this whole thing is done. Then click on next and schedule your email. So I'm trying to run through the entire setup of how you combine Optin Dojo with your Leadpages account, your Getresponse account, or you can use it even for AWeber. It works exactly the same. Just that for AWeber, they call it the source code. You just have to copy the HTML code into the source code at the bottom of it. Alright, but in terms of the email link, it works exactly the same. Bold it, click on the hyperlink, and then insert the email link from Optin Dojo into your email in AWeber. Alright, then at the same time, I'll share with you how to integrate your Optin Dojo together with your Leadpages by inserting the HTML script and the new lead redirect, as well as how to obtain the webhook IPN in order to start tracking the sales that you're obtaining from Warrior Plus platform. So in the next video, I'm going to share with you guys the few top traffic sources that I will recommend to you guys to start growing your email list. See you there.